Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Tech, your one-stop channel for all the latest in tech news. Today, we've got an exciting update for you from India. BigBasket, owned by the Tata Group, has just launched its electronics category, and yes, you heard it right, you can now get your iPhone 16 delivered in just 10 minutes. So, starting from September 20th, BigBasket has made a big leap into the electronics market. This quick commerce platform, which was initially known for groceries, is now teaming up with Croma to deliver top electronics like iPhones, laptops, PlayStation consoles, microwaves and more within 10 minutes in cities like Bengaluru, Delhi NCR and Mumbai. Let's quickly talk about the star of this story, the Apple iPhone 16. Priced at 79,900 rupees for the base model and 134,900 rupees for the iPhone 16 Pro, this series comes with some cool new features including the A18 chip, enhanced displays, and a stunning titanium finish for the Pro models. Now, BigBasket operates two apps, the main BigBasket app and BB Daily. Under their BB Now section, users can select the 10 to 20-minute delivery window. The company is working towards unifying its services into one app for a seamless experience. They aim to reduce the standard 2 to 3 hour delivery time to just 10 to 20 minutes for a wide range of products. This marks a huge shift in how we'll be shopping for electronics in India. Tata Group's BigBasket is positioning itself as a major player in the quick commerce space. With plans to expand their fast delivery services and introduce more electronics, this is just the beginning. So, what do you think about getting your next iPhone or PlayStation delivered in 10 minutes? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.